In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Outlook. Whether you're using the new Outlook for Windows or the classic desktop app, these steps will help you stay current with feature updates and announcements so you always know what's changed. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop or taskbar. Give it a moment to load your mailbox. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your work or personal account. This ensures your settings are saved to the correct profile and sync across devices if applicable. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and look for the Settings gear icon. Click it to open the Settings panel. If you don't see it, make sure the window is maximized and that you're in Outlook, not another Office app. On the Settings panel, navigate to the left sidebar and choose General. This section controls core preferences that affect how Outlook behaves and what information it shows you. Within General, open About Outlook. This page provides details about your Outlook build and includes controls for staying informed about product changes. Under the section labeled What's New in Outlook, find the option that says, Give me regular updates on what's new in Outlook. Toggle this on. Enabling this means Outlook will proactively surface new features, improvements, and tips inside the app, so you can take advantage of changes as they roll out, instead of discovering them by accident. If you prefer fewer notifications later, you can return to the same place and turn it off. After making the change, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. The Save button confirms your preference, so it sticks. If the button isn't visible, scroll further down. In some layouts, it appears at the lower right corner of the pane. Once saved, the setting typically takes effect immediately, and you'll start seeing updates as Microsoft publishes them. A quick note for clarity. This setting keeps you informed about new features and improvements, but it doesn't manually install software updates. Outlook and Office updates are handled automatically by Microsoft Update or your organization's IT policies. Still, turning this on ensures you know what's new the moment it arrives in your app. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, sign in if needed, click the gear icon, go to General, select About Outlook, turn on regular updates under What's New in Outlook, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with Outlook.